Okay, so you've got an xTool O1 Omni and you don't really know what to print. Well, here's a little secret. Half the time, neither do I. So today I'm going to show you just finding something around the shop and deciding to try to print on it to see how it comes out. And spoiler, it looks great. Today we're going to be printing on the MakerFlo luggage tags. These are designed for laser engraving, but they UV print fantastically. I've got the O1 Omni dual UV, so I did use flexible white on this. You could use rigid white. It just runs the risk of cracking if things flex or bend. But it's a pretty simple project and only takes a couple minutes to print. My name is Patrick, this is Created Workshop. In the entire month of August, I'm doing my best to upload a new video every single day. And today the video is just printing on this. I want to show you guys that it doesn't have to always be this super expensive or super premium blank or anything like that. Sometimes it can be something as simple as a luggage tag. And then I'll also give you some marketing tips for how to market these, because this could actually turn into a pretty successful product line. With all that, let's dive into printing this luggage tag. Okay, so we're going to start by placing this on the laser bed, just like that. And then over in xTool Studio, we're going to hit the new canvas button. We're going to start by putting the next level logo on it. Oh, got to connect the device first. Scan, and we're going to put the refresh logo from next level on it. I'm going to be going to next level in just a week or so. And as you can see here, it's already a transparent graphic. The white there we want to leave, so that will work fine for that. And now we have the graphic over in, or the item over here in xTool Studio. So I'm going to shrink this graphic down a little bit. We're going to rotate this by, let's see, -1. I'm going to bring this up to the top of that. Looks good to me. And there we go. We're going to go with one white, one color, and I'm going to change it to the flexible white since this is a flexible luggage tag. And that's going to do it for graphics here. So now I'm going to hit process. Cost is going to be $1.50, and it should just take 4.5 minutes. I will be right back with y'all. Okay, so it is done printing now. Let's take a look as I drop it. But there it is. This looks fantastic, and I really like the look of this. Because it's the flexible ink, I'm not worried about it cracking or breaking, and it just looks really great on this holographic blank. Okay, so there you have it. That was a pretty simple print. The alignment was easy, the print was fantastic, and it only took about 2 minutes per side. And I'm doing a pretty large graphic on there, and my Created Workshop logo is also fairly large considering how tall it is and how wide it is. Overall, less than 5 minutes, I believe, to print this whole thing. I'll have, the actual times in the rest of the video. But under 5 minutes to print this whole thing, and it came out great. The colors are ultra vibrant, and I just love the way that it looks, and this holographic still kind of comes through. Obviously it's not coming through on the refresh logo, but on my logo, because it's not got as much heavy printing, it looks really good and still looks holographic. So how would you position a thing like this? Well, for me, I'm printing this just to bring with me to next level. But I'm actually going to be pitching these as products to a couple different companies that I'm kind of building these kits for. I have some good friends of mine and even family members that are fairly high up in larger companies that are constantly placing orders of UV printed items. I've seen some of the things that they've purchased or that they've been given at different events, and they've even talked with their purchasing coordinators, and they want kind of some packets of things that I can and can't make and things of that nature. So I'm going to be including luggage tags in that. It's not always something that a company purchases, but this is a great way to show what you can do. If you can print on something like this, man, there's so many other things you can print on. So that's how I would position these. You can also position them for families going on vacation. I can imagine a family going down to Orlando, taking their kids and everybody on vacation. They might want some personal luggage tags, or family reunions, or high school reunions, or there's really anything that this would go well on. So I would definitely considering doing these luggage tags for really just about anything. Just come up with a graphic, put it on there, and go. It takes a couple minutes to print. These are affordable tags. They're premium. And on the inside, you've even got an area where they can put their information. Or if you want to offer something more premium, you can print custom on the back there. So there's a lot of different ways that you can go with these luggage tags. So that's going to do it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I want to say a special shout out to our YouTube members. You guys are the real heroes of the Created Workshop team, and thank you so much for the support that you give me every single month. This is the first month in the really big content push, and it's really paying off, just getting you guys so much content that you can enjoy about the Omni, and hopefully soon the Morpho. I'm going to be working on getting some content out on that once we fix some issues that are going on with my specific unit. I know a lot of you have been asking me when there's going to be more Morpho content, and my unit is having some printing issues, so I'm working with the Morpho team as it's a pre-production unit, so it's just one of the quirks of it being a beta machine. But with all that out of the way, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's right down there below, completely free for you to do, and it helps this channel out a lot, as does the like button right next to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.